Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great, and one more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, editor boss, St. Lucia boss, big up yourselves. Mystery lady, with the good underneath, one hold tight, you understand? Now, I want to send big shout out to my Vincy brethren. You know me I talk, you understand? And I know say, them kill my youth there. The son youth to the youth to the last name. You understand? Jason. And me I go talk about it. You understand? Because I know we are going to send Vincent. And me I go put in my little 2 cents. What I go on. And enough things are going on Belize. Yo, things are going all over the Caribbean. All Jamaica. Me have a story for drop from out of Jamaica. It a go make on the head spin. So for now, all of the subscribers, all of the viewers, countryman love you know. Now this is the follow-up to the video of the Trinidadian man who get robbed at Beer Gardens Hotel in St. Lucia. And I know who robbed him. Now, to jog on the mind, he got robbed last week in the Beer Gardens and the man was getting so upset. The people them said them not have no camera, them not have no this, them not have no that. Now, you see the man them were rob him. I showed them in a video I did inadvertently because the video that I showed, it was a promotional video from PJ Jeweler, the owner of the jewelry store or the pop-up jewelry store. So me go down in it right now without further ado. Now I want to check out this picture. Look at the picture right there. Those guys, they were at the pop-up show in Beer Garden Hotel and they were looking at the man jewelry. Now you see the guy in the tall one with the blue, that's Kodiak. And you see the one bending down, looking at the gold, looking at the stuff. Yo, I'm laughing, but it's not funny. Look how his eyeball nearly drop out on the man jewelry. Him name is Michael. Now the other 2, I don't know them name, but them from Babano. And you see Michael and Kodiak, them from Bakatel. Now I want to know watch this video. And you see this video? This video was made by the jewelry store owner, and coming up to the end of the video, right around here, you see the man them look on the jewelry, and them in the place act like them is there to buy jewelry and to shop. But really and truly, what they were doing, they were scoping him out. So PJ, me I tell you, a them man ya rob you. How me know that? Me I go explain that. But look at the video and see. So me know say right away them boy are some desperado them. Because they went and did a robbery and inadvertently they were captured on video looking at the jewelry. I hope the police is listening to this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Once again, me solve another case for the St. Lucia police. The man them they are Bakatel up in a Marsha. You understand? And them rob the jewelry man we do the pop-up jewelry. See the man them picture, me show them name, me tell you where them there. You understand? I may expect the St. Lucia police jump on this. Now, Mr. God, pressure them, pressure your man them to go out and solve this. The youth them, they in a bagatelle. May have more to say on the police. But before me do that, I want to know, look on the picture here. Because when the robbery was going down and the man them in the hotel, Bay Gardens, this is the car. And Pops, you think me don't know you? Pops was in the car, in this car right here, while the other man them, Kodiak and Michael and the two other guys went in and scoped things out. So Pops and another youth was in the car, you understand? While Michael, Kodiak, the young youth in the black and the other youth who bent down in face went into the pop-up shop in Bay Garden Hotel and scoped it out. So, may I make the police them know that. From what my intel told me, is that the police them know what's going on. But the boss in the area and the police them is friends. And the police in the pocket are the boss. So that's why nothing has been done. So I say this to alert Mr. Verngard about the situation. You understand? Cause he is the commissioner of police. Now, I want the police to listen to me again. In the same crew there, in a Bacatel down in a Marsha, you have a Bajan guy who is wanted by the police, by you guys, by the police, and two other young men hanging out with Michael and Kodiak and the robbery crew who took the jewelry from the man at Bay Garden. So you have the Bajan and two other wanted men hanging out down in Bacatel in a Marsha. Okay? And I want the authorities to go and do something about this. Give a recap synopsis. Now, the robbery at the Bay Garden Hotel. We figure out, me, editor boss, and the crew, my team, figure out who did the robbery. Now, it's a bunch of bottom feeder them from down in a Bacatel, Marsha Bacatel. And them line up the robbery, a boy named Kodiak, Michael, two other youth. To be honest, it's a team of them, you know. Because from what me see, you have Michael, Kodiak. You have them two other guys that stand up with them. You had Pops, him in the car with another youth. And then you have the Bajan youth who is wanted by police. And you have two other youth who hang with them also, who police is looking for. The police need to go to Bacatel. Because if you go down there, you can't get money, you not gonna get some of the gold, cause them can't sell off all that gold. Me hear say them have US money, plus them have different currency and money down there flash. Them a wear the gold, them a muggle, them a pull off, and them a say the St. Lucia police them a fool, and them a say the police commissioner can't do nothing, and them run things because you see the boss who run that area there. Can't remember his name right now, but him have police in him pocket. So Verngard, the man them a talk about you and say you can't solve that case here. The biggest jewelry heist on the island of St. Lucia. Now, like I said, me do my job, me solve the case on my end. It's up to the police now. Listen, Wanna see how St. Lucia stay? Tons of bottom feeder, a bob and weave every day. So, listen, it's just so sad. A beautiful island like St. Lucia, fill up with bottom feeders. My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.